Hi, in this video, I will show you how to blur parts of your video using CapCut. Blurring can be useful for protecting sensitive information or adding artistic effects. So let's start the video. First, add the video to your CapCut project. Then select the video in your timeline and make a copy by pressing Ctrl+C and pasting it with Ctrl+V. If you are on a Mac, then you can copy with Command+C and pasting with Command+V. Align the copies so they play simultaneously. Next, click on Effects at the top, search for Blur, and apply a blur effect to the bottom layer. Click on the eye icon next to the top layer to hide it, so only the bottom layer with the blur effect is visible. Then select the top layer, click on Video, select Mask, and choose Rectangle or Circle if you prefer. Click on the Reverse or Inverse button at the top right. Resize the mask to cover the numbers you want to blur.